World Environment Day. Let us understand more about World Environment Day. Since 1974, World Environment Day has been celebrated every year on 5th June, engaging governments, businesses and citizens in an effort to address pressing environmental issues. The theme for this year of World Environment Day. For too long, we have been exploiting and destroying our planet's ecosystems. Every 3 seconds, the world loses enough forest to cover a football pitch, and over the last century we have destroyed half of our wetlands. As much as 50% of our coral reefs have already been lost, and up to 90% of coral reefs could be lost by 2050, even if global warming is limited to an increase of 1.5 degrees centigrade. Ecosystem restoration means preventing, halting and reversing this damage, to go from exploiting nature to healing it. This World Environment Day will kick off the UN Decade on Ecosystem Restoration, a global mission to revive billions of hectares, from forests to farmlands, from the top of mountains to the depth of the sea. Only with healthy ecosystems can we enhance people's livelihoods, counteract climate change and stop the collapse of biodiversity. The community. Above all, World Environment Day offers a global platform for inspiring positive change. It pushes for individuals to think about the way they consume, for businesses to develop greener models, for farmers and manufacturers to produce more sustainably, for governments to invest in repairing the environment, for educators to inspire students to take action, and for youth to build a greener future. Everybody living on this planet, in this moment in time, can be a part of generation restoration. The host country. Every World Environment Day is hosted by a different country in which official celebrations take place. This year's host is Pakistan. Stay connected. This year, millions of people will be celebrating digitally, worldwide. Please subscribe this YouTube channel to stay informed and be a part of generation restoration.